In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find large emails in Gmail using advanced search options. This is a quick way to locate messages with big attachments or heavy threads so you can review them and better understand what's taking up space in your mailbox. First, open Gmail in your web browser and look at the search bar across the top. On the far right side of that bar, you'll see a small icon that looks like a funnel. That's the Show Search Options button. Click it to open a panel with advanced filters. If your browser window is narrow, the icon can be easy to miss, but it's always tucked at the right edge of the search box. In the panel that opens, find the field labeled Size. There's a small drop-down next to it. Click that drop-down and choose Greater Than. This tells Gmail you want to find messages larger than a threshold you'll set in a moment. If you were looking for small messages, you could choose Less Than, but for our purpose today, Greater Than is the option you need. Now in the box next to Size, enter a number and pick a unit. For example, typing 10 and selecting MB will search for emails larger than 10 megabytes. MB is best for big items like photos and PDFs. KB is better for fine-grained searches. As a quick guide, 1 MB is roughly 1000 KB. If you're just getting started, try 5 MB or 10 MB to catch the biggest messages first. If you don't see many results, lower the number. If you see too many, raise it to 15 or 20 MBs. The unit drop-down right next to the number lets you switch between KB and MB without changing anything else. Once your size filter is set, click the search button at the bottom of the panel. Gmail will display all messages that are greater than the size you specified. You'll typically notice these emails include attachments or long conversation histories. From here, you can open any result to take a closer look at what's contributing to its size. The results update based on the exact threshold you chose, so feel free to adjust the number and run the search again to refine what you're seeing. That advanced panel also includes other filters like sender, date range, and subject, which can help narrow things down even further, but for finding large emails quickly, the size filter alone is often enough. And that's it. By using the Show Search Options button, choosing Greater Than in the size field, entering a number and unit, and clicking Search, you can instantly surface your largest emails and better understand your mailbox.